Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by today's title and all that stuff, we're going to be doing a wig from WorldNewHair. So the wig just came in this black little dust bag or whatever, and it just looks like this. So it came with some goodies. So it came with some lashes. It also came with a pamphlet. You can win. You can get $500 cash if you follow them or something like that. So it looks like this. Then it comes with a wig cap. Then it comes with one of these. They're like for wigs. It's a gripper if you want your wig to grip. I'm gonna show y'all because I have a lot of these, but I don't use them. So yeah, it looks like this. You just sit it on, but I can't use that with this video, but I just want to show y'all everything that the wig comes with. So this is what the wig looks like, you guys. It's a V Part 180% density, 22 inches. So I already went ahead and have my hair parted. You do not need leave out to do this wig. Oh, I'm gonna turn my flat iron on so we can already have this ready. So one thing I already noticed about the hair is that it is super soft, like really soft. So I'm gonna start a cap construction. We can go ahead and get into the installment process. So it's 2 combs, well, 2 clamps, a clamp, a comb, and then adjustable straps and a comb at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this, and I'm gonna put it on my head. So this is how it looks once you somewhat have it on. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but we finna fix this. Now I also see people, well, I've seen like companies say you can braid your hair. Like, how can I explain? Like, my hair is super sleek right now. Well, not super sleek, but it's sleek, and I don't know how to braid my own hair. Like, I can't braid my own hair back, so I'm not doing all that. I'm just gonna be clamping these in. But sometimes you want to braid it so you know your clamps will not move, but you just clamp it, stick it in, clamp it. It's really not that hard. You just clamp it on, and then you do the other side the same way you did this side. So let me fix this. Also, disclaimer, this is my first time doing a straight V-part wig, so if it looks a little weird and I don't know what I'm doing, that's why. But this is how it looks right here. Now you do want to go in and like fluff this part up just a little bit, like, you know, like that, because this the part that's gonna make it look natural, you guys. So yeah, you're gonna want to fluff this up. So I'm just gonna frizz this up here a little bit just to make it look a little natural and all that. But now I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and just straighten it so it can have like bone straight look. So yeah, I like it. It's really soft, y'all. Like, it's really soft, like really soft. I just have to get used to this because I've never done what is it, a straight one before. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks with leave out as well, because this is how it looks with no leave out. Me personally, I think I like both. Like, I like how they both look, no leave out, with leave out, all that stuff. But I personally feel like leave out would look more natural. So this is how it looks. This is the side view, all of that. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with a leave out. So this is how it looks once I have my leave out ready and all that, y'all. I think it's gonna look way more natural. So what I'm doing is just trying to part this in a straight part like this. Hopefully this blends, because my hair it has its own thing going on, but I'm gonna try to make it blend. I hope it blends. She burnt, and that's hot. That was hot, y'all. So let me see. Let me just go through and do this. I feel like it'll look way better if my hair was not the color it is. But because I don't know if y'all can tell, but it kind of blends. It kind of blends. Hey, this don't look that bad, y'all. You know, one side versus this side. I feel like, yeah, and my front piece, they're kind of they not long, but they long enough. So that's all that really matters. And you don't got to use a lot of leave out either. But yeah, so this is how it looks once you bring out your real hair with it, which is optional. You do not have to do this if you don't want to, because I know some people don't want to like mess up their what is it called, mess up their natural hair by putting heat on it and all that stuff. And I totally agree with y'all. Like, I agree. That's why this wig is good, y'all, because you can do no leave out, leave out. You can do what you want to do with it. And personally, I actually kind of like this. Okay, I just have to go up here and fix this real quick because this has, I can't talk. This side is super sleek and flat, and this side is giving me kind of like a bulky a little bit. So I'm finna fix that, and I'm gonna come back and start this video once it's fixed. So y'all, this is the best I'm gonna get this side to lay flat. I'm trying to get it to lay, but this is what it looks like up close and all of that. It's actually not bad. I actually really like it. But we're just gonna go ahead and exit out this video here. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.